Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video showing you how to access the PDF patterns that go along with my videos. When I upload a pattern, I just do a Google Drive link. I don't have a web hosting service, and then I put the direct link to the PDF pattern template in the video description. So if you open up one of my videos that has a pattern template with it and go to the video description, you may need to expand out the description to get the full text. And what you're looking for is this blue hyperlink. So this is a Google Drive link. And when you click on that link, it's going to open up that PDF pattern. And what you want to do is go over to the download arrow here, and you're going to download that to your computer. And then you're just going to open it up. Mine opens up automatically in my PDF reader. And then you can print that from your computer. So you shouldn't have to subscribe to anything. These are free pattern templates, and it just takes you directly to the link where you can then print off the PDF of that pattern. The patterns for the Logi Pouch are found the same way. So if I pull up the Logi Pouch pattern, click on the Logi Pouch video. Then if you go to the description down here, you may need to click the More option, and then you can see that there is this blue hyperlink here. Click on that, and that will open up the PDF pattern template, and you're going to click the Download button, and that's going to download it to your computer, and then you can open it up in whatever your PDF reader is. You don't want to print it from that download screen because that is not going to be the correct scale. You're going to want to print it from your PDF pattern reader, not from the browser. And the other one is the Betty Pouch pattern, which is found in the Perfect Corners, Perfect Curves video and More Tips for Top Zips. Click on the video, go to the video description, expand out in the More section, and for this one, we have the full-size zipper pouch and the coin carrier. Both have the Google Drive links. If you click on that Google Drive link, it's going to open that up for you, and rather than opening it with one of your options here, you're going to want to download it. Also, don't print it from the browser. You're going to download it to your computer, and then you can print it off so that it is the correct size. If I have, or when I have future PDF pattern templates for videos, they will be done the same way. At this point, I don't have any plans to have a website itself. I'm just going to keep doing them as the Google Drive link. In the future, I may do them a different way, but for the moment, this is how I plan to do them. So you will just find the pattern templates in the description of whichever video it is that you are watching. Usually I will mention in the video where you can find the template. If it is an add-on video, the template may be in the original video as opposed to the add-on. So for example, in the closer look at the Logi Pouch zipper installation, that template can be found on the original Logi video as opposed to that add-on tutorial. I also put links in the description to other videos that may be helpful, and if you use the info cards, it will also show you if there are other videos that you may find useful when you are watching the video that you originally clicked on. So, hope that helps. Thanks everyone.